Are you looking for the best favorite ice makers? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best favorite ice makers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall. The machine has a 10-cup water capacity, which yielded the highest output per hour out of all the ice makers we tested, though it did take a while, and the noise level was silent. We also liked that the machine isn't obtrusively branded. The unit has push-button controls and an LED display, and it alerts you to let you know when the ice collector is full or water is low. It's fairly big and bulky, not massive to the point where a fridge with an ice maker is a better option, but if you have a small kitchen, this machine may need a designated space other than your countertop. It requires no installation and comes with a scoop, owner's manual, and a 1-year warranty. It's not the most budget-friendly option, but it's worth the money. Model, countertop ice size, 1 size, cube ice speed, roughly 20 cubes per 20 minutes. Dimensions, 11.13 x 14.25 x 13.88 inches. Weight, 25.3 pounds. Output, 28 pounds per day. Number 2. Best Nugget Ice. This sleek-looking stainless steel ice maker produces 1 pound of ice nuggets per hour, and the bin can hold up to 3 pounds. The clear, illuminated bin lets you see how much ice you have available and is easy to pull forward when scooping ice. A scoop is included. You can open the bin while ice is still being made, and while the bin is open, any ice that is made just falls into the water reservoir. The bin is also insulated to keep the ice cold, but as it inevitably melts, the machine automatically makes more. The GE Opal connects to Wi-Fi, so you can control it when you're not home. It also comes with an extra water reservoir, so you don't have to refill the water as often during larger get-togethers. When we tested the brand's previous model, we loved how easy it was to chew the ice no matter what kind of drink it was in, from soda, to cocktails, to a copycat recipe of Sonic's cherry limeade. Note, the original model we tested is featured in the full review, link above and pictures below. The brand improved and updated the product to a lighter 2.0 model with Wi-Fi connectivity, which is featured in this roundup. Model, countertop ice size, 1 size, Nugget Ice speed, 1 pound per hour. Dimensions, 17.5 x 13.43 x 16.5 inches. Weight, 38 pounds. Output, 24 pounds per day. Number 3. Best for bullet ice. The Frigidaire EFIC 103 can churn out 26 pounds a day, and in our tests, it made a batch of 9 in just 8 minutes. Because the ice is so large and thick, a little goes a long way. This machine produced hollow, bullet-shaped ice as thick and as fast as brands that cost twice the price. It was also so quiet that we forgot it was even on. This ice maker can store 2.2 pounds of ice at a time. While this one isn't as well insulated as some higher-end models, we still found it adequate. In terms of customization, you have your choice of 3 ice sizes, and the size corresponds to thickness rather than length. Please note, though, that the ice storage isn't refrigerated, so you'll want to move it as it's produced. Model, countertop ice size, 3 sizes, bullet ice speed, 9 pieces per 7 to 15 minutes. Dimensions, 14.44 x 11.69 x 14.88 inches. Weight, 24.03 pounds. Output, 26 pounds per day. Number 4. Best Splurge. This ice maker is huge and heavy, but it can produce up to a whopping 50 pounds of ice per day and 12 pieces in 7 minutes. You can choose one of 3 different ice sizes and set the 18-hour timer to make ice on your schedule. Indicator lights let you know when you need to add water or when the removable ice bin is full, and an ice scoop is included for easy serving. Eventually, the ice will melt since the bin is not refrigerated, but it is better insulated than other smaller ice maker models we tried. This machine doesn't require much maintenance, it has a self-cleaning mode, and produces ice really fast. Leave it running for 2 hours on the small setting and you'll have a full bin. The bullet ice cubes were a bit cloudy and somewhat irregular in size, and the machine made a strong whirring noise during operation, but its performance made up for that. The machine can be tricky to drain since it's so big and heavy, so you may want to lay a dish towel or a reusable paper towel underneath to pick up any dribbling during the draining process. Model, countertop ice size, 3 sizes, bullet ice speed, 12 pieces per 7 minutes. Dimensions, 17.2 x 15.3 x 16.5 inches. Weight, 36.4 to 37.6 pounds. Output, 50 pounds per day or 12 pieces per 7 minutes. Number 5. Best Smart Machine. This makes 3 different sizes of ice cubes. We wouldn't call any of them particularly tiny, but we do like the smallest ones when we're tossing them into a blender where they need to get blitzed up. The largest are nice for cooling drinks when we don't want the ice to melt as fast. Like all the other settings, the ice cube sizes can be changed from the app. Unlike most ice makers that are either on and making ice, or totally off, this ice maker has a do not disturb setting that turns off the ice making on your schedule, whether it's to silence it at night or to only make ice at certain times of the day. It makes sense. The dropping cubes can be noisy, so we like turning it off when we know we won't need any ice. There's an internal light that illuminates the ice bin, and it also is an indicator for different functions, like when it's working, full, or water is needed. The light colors can be changed to suit your own color scheme, and the brightness of the light can also be adjusted. Our one quibble is that the bin capacity is a bit small. However, it does make ice quickly. This may not be the perfect choice for large parties or for filling the cooler. Model, countertop ice size, 3 sizes. Speed, 9 pieces in 6 minutes. Dimensions, 12.52 x 9.45 x 13.11 inches. Weight, 16.8 pounds. Output, 26 pounds per day. Number 6. Best Self-Cleaning. This attractive countertop ice maker has a handle for easy portability and comes in an array of color options. For its size, it works at an impressive speed, producing 26 pounds of ice per day and approximately 9 cubes every 7 minutes. The ice maker lets you choose between 2 sizes of cylinder-shaped ice and is overall very easy to use. The LED control panel lets you know when the water reservoir needs to be filled as well as when the collector bin, which can hold 2 pounds of ice at a time, is full. The machine pauses its production when the bin is full to prevent overflow. The fan is somewhat noisy, but not egregiously so. Since the machine is portable and on the smaller side, it needs more frequent water refills than machines with huge water reservoirs, but its size and capacity are perfect for your typical home bar. Best of all, this machine has a thorough cleaning function that just requires you to add water and cleaning solution to the water reservoir. Model, countertop ice size, 2 sizes, cylinder ice speed, 9 pieces per 7 minutes. Dimensions, 13.9 x 10.51 x 15.28 inches. Weight, 19.3 pounds. Output, 26 pounds per day.